Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Accent Training Podcast. My name is Pat. I'm your personal American accent coach, and today's episode is for you perfectionists out there who need to get every detail of the American accent crystal clear and perfect to be satisfied. I've got you covered, my friend, because today's episode is all about training a sound that's a low priority but highly difficult. And if you train it with me here today, right now, you're gonna have better control over all your muscle movements and better American accent muscle memory habits. This is the sound oi. Oi. Like what you hear in the words coin or toy. This is a moving sound in English. It needs two positions to pronounce it as clearly as possible. These positions are called the pure vowel and the glide. The pure vowel is the strong part. That's the part that goes oh, nice and strong and clear, where the glide is the ye, fading off on the end. It's essential that you get it in that order. Strong, then fading. Oi. We blend those two positions together into one single unit of sound. Oi. Now, a lot of people don't move their lips enough when they pronounce this word. And instead of saying boy, they'll just go boy, boy, oh, boy, or even bye. We can overcome that by using this clear movement that I'm going to help you train right now. So the pure vowel, the first part of this, has your jaw opening up and your lips going round, making a sound like oh. Kind of like the British O sound, oh. We then bring your teeth closer together and relax your lips while making pressure between your tongue and your upper teeth. Oi. Now, it's essential here that you don't move your lips really strong, like oi. It's a clear transition where your tongue moves back and your jaw moves up, but you don't need to move your lips like wah. You just relax them. Oi. Now let's put it into some words, starting with annoy. The boys annoyed me. Enjoy. I really enjoy this. Coin. Bitcoin. They sold their Bitcoin. Join. Join the meeting. Now, those are a few important words to get with oi. Definitely going to come in handy. And you're also going to find this when you're traveling around the United States. The next time that you're in an airport and you're looking for your flight's gate, you may notice Detroit has an oi sound. Repeat it after me there. Detroit. Not just Detroit, but Detroit. Or maybe you live in Illinois. I know I've got a lot of listeners in Illinois. So if you're in Illinois, practice that one with me now. Illinois. Next up, Des Moines. This is the capital of Iowa. Des Moines. And one more here. How about Boise? You ever heard of this place? Boise. This is the capital city of Idaho. Boise. So that covers clear pronunciation of the sound, when to use it, and a few locations where you may be right now, or you may travel through someday with this oi sound. Moving forward, I have a task for you to complete to keep up on your training before the next episode. This is to train your listening and shadowing abilities, specifically with the oi sound. Here's what it is. Listening to some form of American English media, movies, TV shows, news, whatever you like, sometime today, and focusing with precision for 3 words that are spoken that use the oi sound. I then want you to note the words that they use. If it's an idiomatic expression, all the better. Note what they say and repeat it to yourself just the way that we trained here today. If you complete that task today, you'll be immediately bridging the gap between our lesson here today and your real life English use. And that's what it's all about. I mean, if you don't bridge that gap, then this whole audio lesson has just been a waste of your time. And I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to help you invest your time and see a compounding return on that investment. So complete that task today. Listen for just 3 oi words from your favorite TV show, movie, podcast, or news anchor. Shadow what they say, write down the words, and apply it with our training in your real life. If you complete those steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering one of the most difficult vowel sounds of the English language. And it won't just stop there, because our next episode is going to take this another step further. So make sure that you're following the Accent Training Podcast so that we can move forward together. Have a good one, my friend. Hey guys, looks like you made it all the way to the end of the lesson. You are the true 1%ers of accent training. Look, I know 1%ers who can make it halfway through a lesson, but making it all the way through, you guys are the best. And so I'd like to ask you specifically a question. Is it a priority for you to express yourself in English just as clearly and confidently as you do in your native language? Well, my friend, you're in luck. I have positions available for accent training, and I'm looking for the 1%ers who want to train hard to develop their English speaking for key professional interactions and networking. Now, you're thinking, I really want to train with this guy, and so I need to connect with you. Down below, there's a description box on this podcast episode. There's a link in it that says, Coach with me one-on-one. If you fill out the application there and I see that I can help you, my team will reach out to you in the next 24 hours. You can tell me what you need help with, what your goals are, and we're going to crush it together, my friend. I would love to see you get to the next level professionally. I know that you want the same thing, and I'd love to go with you on that journey. So right now, if you want to partner up with me, if you want to team up with me and go to the next level, I want you to go to the description box below right now, click on the link, fill out your information, and we'll talk to you in the next 24 hours. Let's do this.